Hi, beautiful people. Welcome to another recipe. Let me tell you something real quick. If it has anything to do with marble, count me in. Whether it's marble tiles, marble cake, or these marble cookies I'm about to show you, there's just something extra about the swirl. Today I made the crispiest, classiest chocolate marble cookies, and honestly, the smell alone can make someone fall in love. We start sweet and simple. 170 grams of butter, soft not melted, then 160 grams of icing sugar. I creamed it like I was fluffing a pillow for royalty, smooth, light and dreamy. This combo alone was already giving wutu wutu. Now here's the part I'm proud of. No eggs and no stress. Instead, I made my own mix to replace the eggs. 1.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1.5 tablespoons of water, and 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. This combo, it's not just a replacement, it's a glow up, guys. It makes the cookies crispier and gives them longer shelf life. So yes, you can enjoy them slowly if your self-control is stronger than mine. Next, I added 2.5 cups of flour, 1 cup at a time, because who wants to fight with the dough? At this point, the mix was coming together like a dream, soft, smooth, and full of cookie potential. Then I separated the dough into 2 bowls. One was plain and the other one about to go chocolate mode. In a larger bowl, I added 1 tablespoon of cornstarch because I want to get a soft center and crisp edge. OMG. To the smaller bowl, I added 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, that dark rich swirl that makes your eyes and taste buds happy. I dropped in 1 teaspoon of vanilla, the plain dough. It gave that warm, sweet aroma like fresh hugs from the oven. The cocoa dough was already giving depth and mystery, so I left it to do its thing. No need to overtalk chocolate, it knows its worth. Now I rolled both doughs into slim logs, almost like cookie snakes. Then came the fun part, laying them side by side, chocolate, vanilla, chocolate. Press them gently into a rectangular block. It looks so good, I nearly framed it instead of baking. I wrapped it in a cling film like a dedicated gift and let it chill in the fridge for 30 minutes. While it rested, I danced in the kitchen like I just invented marble. The wait was worth it, trust me. After the chill, I brought it out and sliced through the dough, and my goodness, each cookie had the most gorgeous marble swirl. They had character, vibe, and style. These cookies were born to model. I lined them on a tray and baked them for 20 minutes on low heat. No rush, just calm and classy heat. The result? Golden edges, firm but soft center, and that slight crunch that whispers I've arrived. When I say they came out beautiful, I mean screenshot worthy. One bite and I pause like, why does something so simple taste so early? The cocoa, the vanilla, the crunch, the crisp edges from the eggless magic, it all just worked, guys. These cookies are not just snacks, they are an experience. Try it, enjoy it, and if you fall in love with marble after this, don't say I didn't warn you. Sometimes it's the simple things like a cookie that reminds us what life is really about. When I made these chocolate marble cookies, I didn't just bake, I reflected. I started with butter and sugar, soft and sweet. That's how life begins for so many of us, full of softness, sweetness, and the comfort of home. But to move forward, we need to structure, so I added flour. Structure gives us shape, holds us together when life gets messy. Now I didn't use egg. I created my own mix, oil, water, and baking powder. Not because I didn't have options, but because I wanted something different, something that will make these cookies crispier and last longer. And that's a whole life lesson right there. You don't always need to follow the regular path. Sometimes the unusual route gives you strength and staying power others don't have. Don't be afraid to rewrite your recipe. When I split the dough, 1 plain, 1 chocolate, I thought, isn't that how life is too? Some days are light, others are dark, but both are necessary. You can't have the beauty of marble without contrast. So instead of hiding the dark times, blend them in, use them, let them become part of your flavor. Cornstarch, on the other hand, softens the center, just like kindness softens us, even in a world that demands toughness. Vanilla added aroma like peace, joy, and the unseen things that make life pleasant. And the cocoa powder, that deep richness, it's the depth of our journey. the tough moment that made us stronger and more layered. When I rolled the dough together, I wasn't just shaping cookies, I was molding my story, and when I let it rest in the fridge, that was a reminder, even the best things need rest before they face heat. You can't run forever, stop, chill and reset. Then came the baking season, low heat, slow pace and time. Not every blessing comes on high flame. Some of your best growth will happen gently, quietly in the background. So don't rush your journey. Your heat will come, and when it does, you will rise beautifully. And when those cookies came out of the oven, golden, crisp and perfect in every swirl, I smiled because it wasn't just a dessert. It was a message. You are not just one thing. You are not just one flavor. You are a mix, and in your mix, there is beauty. So my beautiful positive vibers, whatever life looks like right now, sweet, dark, messy or layered, embrace it, because in the end, with the right mix, even your not so perfect moment will bake into something unforgettable. If you have watched this video to this moment, I want to say a big thank you. Do not forget guys, like the video, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel. And it is very important, when you subscribe, turn on the post notification, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy the rest of the video guys. Bye.